Practice your English outside in the Irish countryside today. Have you been outside today? Maybe you are stuck in a city or a small apartment and you want to go outside into some countryside. So here we are learning English outside in the countryside, and we are joined today with some livestock, or cattle. These are called cattle, and cattle are male cows that are used for meat and beef and burgers. So these cattle have just arrived in this field a few weeks ago, and they are ready to eat lots and lots of grass. So they are grass fed, and they love eating grass. And let's count how many we have. How many cattle do we have? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One is hiding. Sometimes they get a little bit scared. And 7. One far away. So they are very curious creatures. Curious means they are interested to know me. They come up and say hello. We'll say goodbye to the cattle. There are 7 cattle in that field, and they love grass. So they are going to keep eating grass for the rest of the day. Now I'm walking along the path. So it has been raining a lot here, so that's why all of the bushes and the hedges are very green and bushy at the minute because of all of the rain. Now this field has got very long grass. Let me show you. Long grass. Look how long it is. This field is ready to get cut. So the tractors, the combine harvester is going to cut the grass, and then it is going to get picked up and collected for silage or hay to feed the cows during the winter. So it's dried out and then made into hay or silage and cut and kept for cows for the winter months, because there's no grass in winter because of the weather. You can probably see lots of yellow flowers. These yellow flowers are called buttercup, and that's probably why cows are nicknamed Buttercup, because there are lots of buttercups in the grass. In Ireland, the biggest industry the biggest industry in especially rural Ireland is farming and agriculture. So there are a lot of farmers in Ireland, and they farm cows, so cattle for meat and beef, and then also dairy cows for milk. And then they also have lots of sheep, and the sheep produce wool, and lambs. We eat lambs as well. And then chickens. There are a lot of chickens. Chickens produce eggs, hundreds of eggs, and chicken meat, of course. And then we also farm a lot of pigs as well there, but you don't really see pig farming as often. It's more cows, sheep and chickens. Those are the main things that people farm, and then grass. So silage, hay, barley, lots of grass is farmed as well. In Ireland, there is not much fruit or vegetable farming because the weather, it's too cold. So we would have root vegetables, flat vegetables that are under the ground, protected from the weather, like potatoes, carrots, things like that. But we don't really have fruit like tomatoes, strawberries, raspberries. Well, we have some, but not very many because of the weather. It's not hot enough for fruit and vegetables. So we import We import a lot of fruit and vegetables, and we export a lot of meat and milk. So it's very interesting. All the countries have different types of industries and farming. So Ireland is most known for cows and milk. Have you heard of butter? Kerrygold butter is probably our most famous product. Anytime Irish people go to another country and try the dairy products, or especially butter, we are usually disappointed because Irish butter and milk is the best. Let me know, in your country, what is the biggest industry? It's starting to rain now, so I'm going to have to go inside and end today's outdoor lesson. But let me know, in your country, what is the biggest industry? Is it farming? What type of animals do you farm? Is it fishing, building, what fruit, vegetables, or is it flowers? Like the Netherlands has lots of flowers. We import our flowers from Netherlands. I mean, we have some of our own flowers, but they don't grow all year round. They just grow for a few weeks and then they die. What is the biggest industry in your country? Let me know in the comments, because it is quite interesting. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a lot of English and also a few facts about different industries in Ireland. So thank you so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.